On the southwestern edge of Finland, where the Ora River gently flows into the waiting arms of the Baltic Sea, sits a city that most travelers overlook on their way to flashier destinations. But those who skip it are missing something truly special. This is Turku, the oldest city in Finland, a place where medieval history whispers from every cobblestone street, where thousands of islands scatter across the horizon like stepping stones to another world, and where Nordic charm feels less like a postcard and more like a lived-in, breathing reality. Turku was once the capital of Finland, the beating heart of trade, culture, and power in this part of the world. And even though the political spotlight has long since moved to Helsinki, Turku never lost its soul. It kept its castle, it kept its cathedral, it kept its rivers, its markets, its artists, and its quiet, unshakable confidence. So if you're planning a trip to Finland and want to experience something deeper than the usual tourist trail, stay with us, because today we are counting down the 6 best places you absolutely cannot miss in the beautiful city of Turku. Turku Market, Hall, and Market Square. Let's start our journey in the very heart of the city, at Turku Market Hall and the bustling market square that surrounds it. This is not just a place to buy groceries or souvenirs. It is the living, breathing pulse of everyday Turku life. And honestly, there's no better way to understand a city than by wandering through the place where its locals actually gather. Step inside the historic market hall, and you'll be greeted by rows of stalls piled high with fresh Baltic fish, wild Finnish berries, handmade chocolates, artisan cheeses, and warm-baked goods that fill the air with an irresistible aroma. Grab a cinnamon bun, sit down at one of the small cafes tucked between the vendors, and just watch the world go by for a while. Outside, the market square itself comes alive with seasonal fairs, flower stalls, and the occasional street performer, especially during the warmer months when all of Turku seems to spill outdoors to soak up the precious Nordic sunlight. It's the perfect place to begin any visit because it gives you an honest, unfiltered taste of what daily life feels like in this charming coastal city before you dive into its grander historical landmarks. Luostarinmäki Handicrafts Museum. Now let's step back in time, quite literally, at Luostarinmäki, one of the most remarkable open-air museums in all of Scandinavia. Here's something fascinating about this place. It survived the Great Fire of Turku in 1827, which devastated much of the city. And because of that, it stands today as the only part of old wooden Turku that visitors can still walk through exactly as it was centuries ago. Wandering along its narrow, winding lanes feels like stepping directly into an 18th century artisan village. Wooden houses lean gently with age, their small windows framed by weathered shutters, and inside many of them, costumed craftspeople keep old traditions alive right before your eyes. You might watch a blacksmith hammering glowing metal, a baker pulling fresh bread from a wood-fired oven, a printer working an antique press, or a goldsmith carefully shaping delicate jewelry using techniques passed down through generations. It's an immersive, almost magical experience, especially during midsummer celebrations when the entire district transforms into a lively festival of Finnish folk traditions, music, and dance. For history lovers and curious travelers alike, Luostarinmäki offers a rare and beautifully preserved window into the daily lives of ordinary Finns from a world long gone. Ora River. There's perhaps nothing more iconically Turku than a slow, unhurried walk along the banks of the Ora River, and it easily earns its place among the very best experiences the city has to offer. This gentle waterway cuts right through the center of Turku, dividing it into 2 halves, often referred to by locals as the right bank and the left bank, that are connected by a series of charming bridges, each with its own character and story to tell. As you make your way along the river, you'll notice how the city seems to unfold gradually around you, with leafy trees casting dappled shadows over the pathways and historic buildings, standing quietly as reminders of Turku's long and storied past. The Ora River isn't just a scenic backdrop. It's the very lifeblood of the city, having shaped Turku's growth, trade, and identity for centuries. As Finland's oldest city, Turku owes much of its early prosperity to this river, which once served as a bustling waterway for merchants, fishermen, and travelers. Today, that same sense of connection lingers in the air, as the riverbanks remain a gathering place for people from all walks of life. Walking along the promenade, you'll pass beautiful parks, quiet reading nooks, and open green spaces where locals often relax with a book or a coffee, watching the water drift lazily by. Ducks and swans glide gracefully across the surface, adding a touch of tranquility to the scene, while the occasional rower or small boat reminds you that the river is still very much alive and in use. In the distance, you might catch a glimpse of the Turku Cathedral rising above the rooftops, its spire a timeless symbol of the city's heritage, further enriching the visual charm of the riverside. As the seasons change, so does the mood of the Ora River. In spring, the trees along its banks burst into fresh green, and the air carries a sense of renewal. In summer, the long Nordic days stretch the golden light late into the evening, painting the water in soft hues of pink and amber, drawing both locals and travelers out to enjoy the warmth. Autumn brings a quieter, more reflective beauty, as the leaves turn shades of amber and rust, mirrored perfectly in the calm surface of the river. Even in winter, when frost lines the pathways and the water takes on a stillness of its own, the riverside retains its quiet charm, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle of daily life. Turku Cathedral. Rising majestically above the rooftops of the city, its bell tower visible from nearly every corner of Turku, stands the magnificent Turku Cathedral, the spiritual heart of Finland and one of the most important religious landmarks in the entire country. Consecrated all the way back in the 13th century, this awe-inspiring brick structure has witnessed nearly the entire span of Finnish history, surviving wars, fires, and centuries of change, while remaining the symbolic mother church of the Evangelical Lutheran Church of Finland. Step through its heavy wooden doors, and you will immediately feel the weight of history pressing gently down on your shoulders. Sunlight filters through tall stained glass windows, casting colorful patterns across ancient stone floors, while intricate medieval frescoes and elegant side chapels tell stories of saints, bishops, and Finnish nobility who once worshipped within these very walls. The cathedral also houses a small but fascinating museum showcasing centuries of religious artifacts, royal relics, and historical treasures. And if you happen to visit at the top of the hour, be sure to pause and listen, because the cathedral's bells still ring out proudly across the city, just as they have for generations. It is a place of quiet reflection, breathtaking architecture, and deep national pride, making it an essential stop for any visitor to Turku. Turku Archipelago. Now we venture beyond the city limits and out into one of the most extraordinary natural wonders in all of Scandinavia, the Turku Archipelago. Picture this: over 20,000 islands, islets, and skerries scattered across the sea like a shattered mirror reflecting endless shades of blue and green. It is one of the largest archipelagos on the entire planet, and exploring it is an experience that simply cannot be replicated anywhere else in the world. Hop aboard one of the many ferries or ships departing from Turku's harbor, and within minutes you'll find yourself gliding past pine-covered islands, candy-red summer cottages perched right at the water's edge, and quiet coves where the only sound is the gentle lapping of waves against the hull. For the more adventurous, the Archipelago Trail offers an unforgettable multi-day cycling or driving route that hops between islands via a network of bridges and small ferries, taking you through peaceful fishing villages, historic churches, and roadside stands selling fresh strawberries and smoked fish. Whether you spend just a single afternoon on a short boat cruise or dedicate several days to exploring deeper into this maritime wilderness, the Turku Archipelago offers a profound sense of peace and natural beauty that stays with you long after you've left. It is, without question, one of the true crown jewels of the entire Finnish coastline. Turku Castle. And now, we arrive at the #1 destination, a place so central to Turku's identity, so steeped in history and legend, that no visit to this city could ever truly be complete without it. Turku Castle, standing proudly at the mouth of the Ora River exactly where it meets the sea. This colossal medieval fortress has guarded the city for more than 700 years, making it one of the oldest and largest surviving castles in all of Scandinavia. Originally constructed in the 13th century as a military stronghold, it later evolved into a lavish royal residence, hosting kings, queens, and some of the most dramatic moments in Finnish and Swedish history. As you approach its massive gray stone walls and towering battlements, you can almost feel the centuries pressing in around you. Step inside, and the castle unfolds into a labyrinth of stone corridors, hidden staircases, banquet halls, and richly furnished period rooms that transport you through different eras, from medieval austerity to Renaissance opulence. The on-site museum brings this incredible story to life through authentic artifacts, elaborate costumes, and detailed exhibits chronicling the castle's role in pivotal historical events, including uprisings, royal scandals, and shifting seats of power. Climb to the upper towers, and you'll be rewarded with sweeping views over the harbor, the river, and the city beyond. There is a reason Turku Castle consistently ranks among the top attractions in all of Finland. It is not simply a building, it is a living monument to the very origins of the city itself, and standing within its walls is an experience every traveler deserves to have at least once in their lifetime. So that wraps up our list. 6 incredible places that make Turku one of Finland's most underrated and unforgettable destinations. From the ancient stone walls of Turku Castle to the endless blue horizons of the archipelago, from the sacred halls of the cathedral to the lively riverside evenings along the Ora, this city offers a rare blend of deep history, natural beauty, and warm Nordic charm that few places in the world can match. Turku may not always grab the headlines the way Helsinki or Stockholm do, but for those willing to explore a little further off the beaten path, it rewards you tenfold with authentic experiences you simply won't find anywhere else. So if Finland is on your travel list, do yourself a favor and make time for Turku. You won't regret it. If you enjoyed this journey with us today, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel guides just like this one, and drop a comment below telling us which of these 6 places you'd visit first. Until next time, this has been your guide to the best of Turku, Finland. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.